What up guys, Eric here from Racing Ram Fam, and guess who's back? So today we are at my cabin picking up my 1976 F600 two-wheel drive, POWERSTROKE swapped, again F600. So yes, this does have a 7.3 liter POWERSTROKE V8 in it from a 96, I think E450 school bus. I bought this truck like 2 years ago when I blew SRT10 up, or a year ago when I blew SRT10 up. But it's been sitting here chilling at the cabin. I put some new interior in it, and this truck's just kind of an old school truck that I like to use for truck pulls and just kind of mess around. But this thing's been sitting here all winter, so we're gonna try to start it up. This thing's probably cranky. I took the batteries out of it, so we'll find out if it's gonna start up or not in a little bit here. But this is the exhaust that comes up and along the bed rail, so it's kind of a funky exhaust. This truck is just kind of funky altogether. It's got that rat rod look with the sanded paint and everything. But we'll pop the hood here and see what the damage is for all the mice and everything. Oh. And yes, so it does have a 7.3 liter POWERSTROKE diesel V8 turbo, of course. It needs a new radiator. That's the one thing we're going to do when we bring it home. We are not bringing it home today because we have to get the camper for drag racing next weekend in Venom. But today we are going to try cold starting this 7.3 POWERSTROKE in my 1976 F600. But yes, it does have a 7.3 liter POWERSTROKE in it out of a 96 like E450 school bus. It sounds exactly like a school bus. We are going to clean up all this wiring harness. We're going to do a lot of maintenance to this thing that it needs to do. But today we just need to find out if it runs or not. Because again, it's been sitting here all winter in the forest of my cabin. So we're going to get these batteries dropped in here, and then we're going to start cranking on this thing. I brought some brake cleaner that we're going to use as starting fluid. And yeah. It is a 5-speed manual, if you guys did not see that through the interior. It has a 5-speed giant dually like tractor tires on it. And here's kind of a butt look of it. Trailer hitch. I guess the vehicle doesn't turn on red. I didn't really build this truck. I bought it from my friend who couldn't figure out the electrical issues in it after putting the 7.3 POWERSTROKE in it. So I bought it from him because he texted me and was like, hey, if you give me this much money, you can have it because it doesn't run. And I fixed a bunch of electrical work in his driveway, drove it home to my house, and here it is. It's live! God, that was like it was nothing. Just 2 cranks and it started. on like 3 cranks. Been sitting here all winter. I didn't check the oil because it's a 7.3 Power Stroke. So if it doesn't have oil in it, it's not going to start because it uses high pressure oil from the oiling system to open and shut the injectors. So one really cool way is this motor will never run out of oil because it will literally not start and not run if it does not have motor oil in the motor. The exhaust rails are my exhaust, so as you can see all this cool smoke coming off of it. It's got a T6 tuner in it, so it's a 6-speed tune. It's stock. High idle, like 50 horse, 75 horse, 100 horse, 150 horse, or 125 horse. I don't remember exactly. Lights are pull out, 5-speed. It's got like some Pioneer radio with some speakers that have holes in them. So again, this truck needs a lot of TLC, and that's the plan. After we get Betsy's new twin turbo engine in her and fix this truck up a little bit, is we'll start working on this one. But this one's kind of been like the free projects one. Like we have the stock seat back here. She's out. We only ripped up the driveway a tiny bit, but she's out and alive. So we're gonna go rip the truck a little bit down up and down the streets here. Run good. We got like 3/4 tank, no coolant tap, high oil pressure, good volts. We got wiper blades. Ooh, those are working great. Alright, I'm going to try to one-hand this here. So this truck's really cool because you don't even like need the throttle to get going. Like you can literally just, or maybe you do. But it's got a granny low first gear. It's got 660 rear gears. So it's absolutely tank. I'm going to do my best of recording and driving. I still can't believe it started up so easy. That's so awesome. My diamond plate head unit. Oh, turn those off. We'll turn some heat on. The fuel tank's right there behind us. his old truck life. I kind of forgot the batteries aren't tied down, so I was like kind of sketched out hitting all those bumps and everything. So I want a battery to come up and say hello to the hood. But she's running great. I'm happy. Turned her up on the 150 horsepower tune. Only 3,000 miles. No. So yeah, guys, this is F600. I hope you guys like this. F600 is not coming home with me today, so you guys are gonna have to wait about a month for more videos of this truck. But yes, I still have this truck. Again, it's a 1976 F600 that it has a 7.3 liter Power Stroke in it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Just starting the truck up after a winter long sitting. But yeah, we're gonna call it a video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. As always, consider subscribing, like the video, comment on the video. And as always, guys, keep it boosted, and we'll see you guys in the next video.